ass. Hey man, what's good with y'all boys, man? I know it's been a while, man. It's your boy, Dog, man. Hey, y'all already know Big Dog shit, you feel me? Hey, today, y'all, hey, don't judge how I look. I just woke up, bro. It's like, what, 7:30 in the morning right now. I ain't gonna lie to you, bro. Hey, it is Sunday. Dang. I don't know, bro. Is it the 3rd? I think it's the 3rd, bro. Sunday the 3rd, September 3rd, bro. It's 7:30 in the morning, gang. I just got back home, bro, from St. Louis, bro. Just got back to the loop, bro. I just came back from an 8-hour drive from Kentucky, bro. I just drove to Kentucky, bro. I just caught me a new whip, y'all, boy. Your boy Dog just caught him a new whip, man. You feel me? Anyway, man, today is September 3rd. There's a lot going on today, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. I'm about to go get tints on the new whip. I'm about to go get my brake calipers painted. I'm about to go to a car meet. If y'all wanna see all that, bro, y'all gotta go subscribe to the car channel. Yeah, your boy Dog started a channel. Your boy Dog started a channel, bro, for the car, man. Hey, make sure you follow, you know what I'm saying? Link will be in the description. Subscribe to it, turn notifications on. I'm about to lock in with that. I ain't gonna lie to you. But let me brush my teeth real quick. Hey, y'all let me know what y'all do, bro. Do y'all brush y'all teeth first and then eat? Or do y'all eat and then brush your teeth? That's a good question. That's the best question to ask 2023. Cause some of y'all weird as hell. And I ain't gonna lie, you're a weirdo if you brush your teeth before you eat. I'm sorry. Because it's like, why would you clean your mouth to get it dirty again? That makes sense, bro. I swear that don't make no sense. Some of y'all will wake up, brush your teeth, and then go eat bacon, waffles, pancakes, sausage. And now you're resting again. I'd rather wake up, eat pancakes, breakfast, sausage, eggs, scrambled, cheese, and then go brush my teeth. You feel me? Like, y'all weird as hell, bro. Hey, comment below what y'all do. Do y'all do the first option? Eat, brush your teeth. Second option, brush your teeth, and then eat. Let me know, bro. I ain't gonna lie, my dogs can't be weird now, right? But anyway, man, let me finish brushing my teeth, bro, and I'm gonna show y'all the new whip. Hey, I love y'all, cause I couldn't do this without y'all, and I couldn't do this without my, you know what I'm saying? Everybody who love your boy, you feel me? I love y'all, y'all love me, you feel me? We locked in, twin. But enough of that talking, man, let's get into it, man. Like I said, bro, don't judge how your boy look right now. Y'all be on D sometimes, bro. I ain't gonna lie, bro. I just woke up, like I said, bro, but let's get into it, man. And one thing I wanna say, y'all, I love y'all, bro. I ain't gonna lie. I couldn't do this without y'all, bro. All my supporters who been rocking with your boy, bro. All the 2Ks, you feel me? 2K been a little trash lately, but y'all still been rocking with your boy, and I love y'all for that. I swear to God. So I'm finna go even harder for y'all with the 2K, with the, hey, like the second channel, the car channel. I'm finna go stupid for y'all. I swear to God. But the number one thing I want to tell y'all, man, have faith in God, bro. And the second thing I want to tell y'all, chase y'all dreams, bro. Whatever y'all believe in, bro, chase that shit, you feel me? If you got something you want to accomplish, you can do it, bro. It's all on you and how hard you work. Real talk, bro. If nobody believe in you, just know Dog do, you feel me? Hey, you want to win, put Dog in. All right, let's get it, man. We got the 2023 Jeep Wrangler charging up real quick, and then we got that thing real quick. Hey, before I show y'all this, bro, the person who made me want to get this car, my dream car used to be a Trackhawk, bro, but then I seen this guy, bro, on TikTok named Fast Life Nick, bro. Here he is right here if you don't know who he is.
Good slide. Look, this is a good slide. Wow. Ready? Walk it in, walk it in.
See, he got a Chrysler 300 with the Hellcat swap. So you know your boy Dog had the Chrysler 300, man. Big 300S, bro. Will be Hellcat swapping this probably by the end of this year or the beginning of 2024, bro. But y'all see, we got the Chrysler joint. I'm in the fishbowl right now. Do not judge me, bro. We getting them tints today. I swear to God. First thing I'm doing. Look, I just got the car yesterday and it's getting tinted today. And I'm getting these brake calipers painted today, man. Blue, man. If y'all don't know why I'm getting blue, this is Frozone, man. Hey, no, okay, this is Frozone. Me Frozone, gang. Let me cover my license plate up because y'all federal as hell. And I'm in St. Louis, like y'all federal as hell. Anyway, man, we got the big Chrysler on the back, bro. We got the big 300S. We got the little, it looked like they already put a little wicker bill on that bit, but I'm gonna get a custom wicker bill. I'm gonna get a black wicker bill, put that on the back, bro. But this is the Chrysler 300S, bro. cooler SRT, you know what I'm saying? We gonna add some shit to this, man. We gonna do a Hellcat swap. But that's the exterior of the car, man. Now let's get into the interior. We got the S on the seats, bro. If y'all don't know, these seats can recline back into like a Rolls Royce recliner, bro. Like, it's crazy as hell. I'm about to show y'all what I'm talking about, bro.
How have I never known about this? It really does turn into a whole recliner. Fuck yeah.
But here's the interior of the car, man. The knob is a little weird to me. I ain't gonna lie. I usually like the, you know, man, the little stick. But we got the knob joining this thing, man. We got the dashboard and everything. Let me start this thing up for y'all. We got the panoramic roof and it goes all the way back, bro. I'm gonna show y'all what I'm talking about, bro. Hey, y'all look. Hey, like, we got the big three. We gonna get the muffler delete and we gonna add a flow master to make this thing loud as hell. I ain't gonna lie, bro. Y'all see it, man. Big 300 on the front, man. Let me show y'all this roof, bro. The roof is so clean. Bruh. And it goes all the way back. And it go, I ain't gonna lie, you can fit a big booty, bro. You can fit a big booty girl like that. I swear to God. Hold on, bro. Like, y'all think I'm trolling, bro. Hold on. I'll go all the way back, bro. I don't even know how to really work this thing, but that thing dropped like, oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. I ain't gonna lie, my toes just curled. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. My coat, that thing popped up the top like that, man. Big 300 joint, man. Let me pop the hood for y'all, bro. Let me pop the hood for y'all real quick. You feel me? Let me pop this hood for y'all real quick. I ain't gonna lie, my dumb ass just pressed the wrong button. I just did the gas pump. Like I said, I'm gonna be doing the Hellcat swap to this, you know, we taking all this out. I ain't gonna lie, we're gonna do a Hellcat swap, but we got the big V8. It's not no V6, you feel me? Cool little 5.7. I'm gonna add a supercharger first by the end of this year, bro. We're gonna add a supercharger and maybe do a stage 1. But then after that, man, we're gonna do a Hellcat swap by 2024. I promise y'all, bro. But we got that big HEMI, this big HEMI right here. I ain't gonna lie to you. I wanted to do a scat pack, y'all. I wanted to do a scat pack. Let me talk to y'all. I wanted to do a scat pack or a 392 HEMI, you feel me? What every nigga got for real, or Hellcat or something like that, bro. But those get stolen like candy. Especially, I'm in St. Louis, bro. They get stolen in 10 seconds. As soon as you pull off the lot and you get out the car, you turn back around, bro, the car probably gone. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, bro. If you know, you know, bro. If you from the city, you know, bro. So I wanted to be different. I seen Fast Life Nick did a Hellcat swap to the 300, and I heard that the Hellcat engine works better in a 300. So that's exactly what we finna do, man. That's the plan, bro. But today, y'all, we finna get these. Y'all see the fishbowl? I can't do the fishbowl, bro. The fishbowl, all that we gotta get that done today. So we fixing all that today, bro. We gonna do the brake calipers. We gonna do a muffler delete. We gonna do a stage 1. We gonna do a stage 1 to the Chrysler. We're gonna add a supercharged. We about to go crazy. I ain't gonna lie, bro. So if y'all wanna see all that, bro, make sure y'all follow the second channel. Link will be in the description. But yeah, man, that's that big 300, man. I ain't gonna lie. I'm finna go driving it for y'all boys real quick. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. Let me close this up real quick. And we on our way, no cap. So y'all already know we gotta put that bit. We gotta put that bit in sport on, bro. Kick that sport. We got a sport mode. Y'all see that thing, the little flag. Yo, gotta put that thing on sports mode, no bad. I wish you could play music on YouTube, bro, but YouTube be dick eating, ain't gonna lie. Yeah, I'm gonna push this thing just a little light for y'all today, bro. You feel me? I ain't gonna go crazy, bro. You feel me? YouTube be tweaking, man. You go over certain miles per hour, bro, they gonna flag your video. You feel me, bro? But I ain't gonna lie, this thing clean as hell, bro. Y'all see we got the, bro, this, I ain't gonna lie, you can fit, bro, like I said, you can fit a big booty Latina in that mud. You feel me? But we gonna rock out with our cock out.
Wait a minute.
I mean, I'm gonna do a couple pulls for y'all, a little POV. I ain't gonna lie, I never did this, you feel me? Hey, like I said, bro, I love y'all. If y'all mess with the car channel, bro, follow the second channel, bro. Subscribe to the second channel, bro. You feel me? I ain't gonna lie, this dude almost just hit me already. Yeah, you better say sorry, dude. Pay attention. Anyway, but yeah, man, we pulling back up to the crib. Man, I ain't gonna lie, bro. I love this car, bro. I love this car. I drove a scat pack. I drove a RT. And I ain't gonna lie, bro. This can keep up with all that. I ain't gonna lie, this is beating the RT. This keeping up with the scat packs. All that, bro. And that's just stock, bro. I ain't even put no work into the car yet, bro. This thing gonna be moving, bro. And then I'm gonna do that Hellcat swap. Y'all already know what's gonna happen with that. You feel me? But yeah, man, that's the new whip, man. Hey, what y'all think? Y'all let me know in the comments what y'all think, bro. I ain't gonna lie, still hasn't hit me yet that I got my dream car. This is my dream car, bro. I wanted a Trackhawk at first, but I seen Fast Life Nick in this thing, did a Hellcat swap. You don't see those on the road, bro. You don't see no Hellcat Chrysler on the road. You see Hellcats, you see scatpacks, you see 392s, bro. Y'all know me, bro. I like to be myself and I like to be different, bro. And I feel like this suit me, bro. This a big body muscle car. And I'm finna go stupid for y'all, bro. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, man. But y'all comment below what y'all think, man. Y'all did this for me. You feel me? My family, hey, shout out to my family too, man. My grandparents, my mama, I love y'all, bro. And we gonna keep grinding, bro. Simple as that, man. Getting this whip just motivated me to go even harder, bro. And kind of just expand, you feel me? So that's exactly what we finna do, man. Hey, if you rocking with your boy, subscribe, hit that like, man. I love y'all. Make sure y'all follow me on Instagram, bro, at TheRealDogYT. I just did a giveaway for 2K24, bro. I'm gonna do another one, bro. So make sure y'all follow me on IG and Twitter, TheRealDogYT, all my socials at the bottom. And don't forget to subscribe to the second channel, man. Big Frozone 300s. Simple. Y'all already know I always gotta rock with the blue. You feel me? Always gotta rock with the blue joint. You feel me? Hey, but I love y'all. Y'all stay blessed. Y'all stay safe. And I'm out this thing, bro.